I'll be sharing with you the animal agriculture impact on the environment, the negative impact. Thank you for coming. Okay, as you may know now, worldwide, more than 70 billion land animals are reared and killed for food every year. تعرفوا ليه هالقد العدد كبير؟ نحن بالعالم 7.3 تقريبا هلا people. ليش الحيوانات هودي raised for food هالقد عددهم كبير؟ We breed them into existence. هم نعمل لهم possible impregnation لحتى to meet up with the demand. Yes, we do in farm. In commercial farms, we do breeding.
But in the sea.
In the sea, because it is a trend as we see them as seafood, and we just fishing to meet up the demand, because it is a trend, an old trend, and it is very destructive, you know why now. Anywhere between 37 and 120 billion fish are killed on commercial farms each year, with another 2.7 trillion caught and killed in the wild, without even mentioning the number of the bycatch and unintentional marine animals killed and dropped dead back to the ocean. So, what is the impact, the real impact of animal agriculture? Animals raised for dairy, meat and egg require a significant amount of natural resources such as the grain, oil, fossil fuels, water and land use, and has an important role in global greenhouse gas emissions. We're going to start with the land use. 91% of Amazon land deforested already is used for livestock pasture, according to the Food and Agriculture Organization report. Rainforests are cut down and large pasture areas are converted into cropland for the cultivation of soy, because the grain has energy to feed these animals. Not only is this a catastrophe for global biodiversity and climate protection, it also negatively impacts soil fertility due to the large monocultures of these crops. Grazing land and cropland dedicated to the production of feed, all of them representing almost 80% of all agricultural land in the world. Livestock systems, grazing and feed crops, cover almost half of the Earth's ice-free total land in the world. 1/3 of the planet is desertified, soil degraded, with livestock as the leading driver because of the overgrazing of the cattle and deforestation caused by animal agriculture, of course. Animal agriculture is the leading cause of species extinction in this case and habitat destruction. Species are dying out of a rhythm 1,000 faster than the natural rate. We have entered the 6th mass extinction of life on Earth, causing a biological extermination of wildlife. This is so sad. Worldwide, at least 50% of grain is fed to livestock. In order to create 1 kilogram of steak, a cow needs to eat up to 25 kilograms of grain. And 15,000 liters of water are needed to produce 1 kilogram in beef. As well, 3,700 liters of water are required to produce only 1 gallon of milk. And this is contrary to popular belief. 80% of all the soybeans grown worldwide are fed to livestock because it is a complete protein and it will be feeding the animals and they will be grown very fast. The calories that are lost by feeding cereals to animals instead of using them directly as a human food could theoretically feed an extra 3.5 billion people. We only have 7 billion people. Animal agriculture is responsible for 20% to 33% of all freshwater consumption in the world, mostly for the irrigation of feed crops. In order to produce 1 kilogram, one hamburger, we need 2,500 liters of water. It is the equivalent of showering 2 entire months. So, بجرب يوفر مي وبياكل برجر يعني بكون مش ظابطه معه ابدا. مين environmentalist هون يا حبيبي؟ تفضل.
إذا خففنا على أكل برجرز بصير في مي أكثر بالبلد لأنه هلا صرنا مقطوعة شي شهرين. لا عن جد سؤال.
إيه أكيد. لأنه to raise these animals they require a lot of fresh water and natural resources. So أكيد رح هيدا الشيء يكون عندنا مي لنا زيادة.
Actually الكاوز بيجوا من البرازيل، يعني احنا ما عندنا بقر، يعني بلدنا مش بلد البقر يعني نربيهم، احنا جبناهم لبرا يعني ونشتريهم من برا، يعني شفنا انتو شحنات بتجي من البرازيل كلها بقر هون بيقطعوا بالتروكس على الهاي واي، هول عم يبعتوهم يحطوهم بالفارمز والسلوتر هاوس ناكلهم، يعني ايه بنكون اذا خففنا ناكل لحمه او وقفنا ناكل لحمه ايه we import less اول شيء yeah we use less water on a global scale مش بس national scale، يعني انت you're contributing to a bigger thing مش بس شيء ببلدك.
في مرة رح يصير في أزمة بالعالم بالمي، رح يصير رح يقولوا الحرب الجديدة هلا رح تكون على الووتر.